Hello, my name is Vikram Malik, and I would like to introduce myself as a prospective representative for you, maybe whether as an individual or a company in India. I'm India based. I spend most of my time in the capital, New Delhi, but at the same time, I'm very flexible and I can travel to any part of India. What I have seen is that today there are so many companies, there are so many individuals, there are so many different kinds of organizations which have something or the other to do with India all the time. And at the same time, often there are constraints, say, of time, of effort, of expenditure, whereby they are not able to you know have themselves personally coming over to India to oversee things, which is where having a local representative comes in to be very handy, which is exactly where I want to showcase myself. Say you have a meeting or you're scheduled for a meeting with somebody at a local level, but you're not able to do it. You're somehow not able to make it to come to India. Why don't you hand over that task to me? I can make sure that that meeting with the local representative happens. You can let me know about whatever task that you have. You can let me know that this is the agenda that I had, and this is what was the purpose behind my essentially coming to India. But for whatever reason, I'm not able to make it. Why don't you help me out? I'll be very happy to do that. And like I said, I'm willing to travel to just about any part of India. I can work out the costs at my end myself, and you can reimburse me for the traveling expenses, or you can arrange, which is what I would prefer, that you arrange for those traveling expenses, and I will take care of the rest. So therefore, whether it is, say, meeting up with a local body, sometimes there are meetings at higher levels which need to be done. There are a lot of coordinations which need to happen. Sometimes there's media coverage which needs to be initiated. I have myself been a part of the PR industry, so say listening with the media is something which does not come with a problem for me. I can do it very easily. And as you can clearly make note of, that as far as the English language is concerned, that is not a challenge for me. So that again should kind of reassure you that if there's anything, say, English language specific for which you need assistance, and you would like to have somebody local in India there. Again, a very simple situation. Say you have a family of yours, of maybe a group of friends who are coming down to India, and they kind of would like to have somebody local with them, around them, maybe if not in person, over the phone, whom they can contact in case of any assistance. Because whatever it is, calling up from abroad versus somebody being there around when anytime, any situation, any assistance is needed, if there's somebody whom you can just call up, pick up the phone and just call and ask about just about anything, that's a big help. And that's where again I feel I could fit the picture perfectly. I can always bill on, say, an hourly basis, that if you have, say a duration of, say, 15 days, over which you have your representatives, your maybe members of your family, your friends, anybody who's coming over, and from time to time they need assistance at various levels and for various reasons. So I can always build up a composite framework in terms of the total time and effort spent by me, and I can bill you accordingly. Ultimately you'll find that whatever you pay will be a very small price versus coordinating things at your end, coming over personally, having to spend on staying, especially staying costs in India are fairly high. And as a Western, say an expatriate who's coming in here, or a Western traveler, you're obviously not gonna stay in very compromised situations or locations, whereby the costs of staying costs, traveling costs, they increase incrementally. All that can be saved. So there are various ways and various levels at which I as a person can add value to you. So therefore I would say that please feel free to get in touch with me, and my contact options are there on screen, and they're also there in the description of the video. So feel free to get in touch with me, and I'm sure that when it comes to being a representative in India for a myriad array of reasons, for so many different functions, I can add value in various ways. So feel free to get in touch with me. I am there, I am here to serve you. Cheers.